Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the NutriChef Professional 20-piece kitchen set in navy blue, a versatile and durable non-stick cookware collection perfect for any culinary enthusiast. This comprehensive set includes everything you need, from a 6-piece bakeware set to an array of pots and pans, including open fry pans, sauce pots, a stew pot, and even a grill pan, all designed for effortless cooking and easy cleaning. The non-stick surface is PFOA and PFOS-free, ensuring healthier cooking with a heat-resistant lacquer exterior that withstands high temperatures. Each piece features cool touch ergonomic handles for safe and comfortable cooking, complemented by a sleek metallic design with polished stainless steel edges for an elegant kitchen aesthetic. The see-through tempered glass lids with vent holes allow steam to escape, ensuring even cooking while being dishwasher safe and oven safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Induction ready, these pots and pans are compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops, made from reinforced pressed aluminum with a multi-layered coating for scratch resistance. Plus, the set includes scratch-free nylon silicone utensils, making it a complete package for all your cooking needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.